Well, your time is officially up. We currently have a tsunami that is going to hit the shores of America. And if you want to get out of this, you should probably consider buying that helicopter you always wanted. Oh, and just in case you want to know what the hell am I talking about, well, it has to do with the government, and it's going to take a lot longer than 2 weeks. And if I can remember, that last 2 weeks thing did last longer than 2 weeks. Oh, and some more bad news. If you have any of that money stuff left over, they say this is going to be an everything sell-off. But let me make sure that I got the words perfectly right. Everything sell-off. Is that what I said? On Wall Street. Quote your sources, Bravo, Bloomberg. Is that good? Yeah, but who's saying it? Only 98% recession odds. Traders, oh my gosh, who would say that? Oh, Summers. I mean, that guy's, what did he even do? Oh, that's right. He was a United States Treasury Secretary. I mean, what does this guy know? And we got some bearish sentiment is far from getting exhausted. Woo! Stocks are still in a free fall. No, they're not. You haven't seen the parachute lines get cut yet. And I wish there was someone out there that could teach us how to trade a bear market and things like the kiss of death when we cross it. You guys want to see? You guys want to see how close we are? We got 3 days and 3 hours, and all we have to do is break that little line right there. Oh, hey, look, Mom. And look how strong that candle is. That's a little baby wick. Oh no, that's some, we're moving some strength, some volume under that line. Not like that one. It's different this time. For those of you that are like, what is kiss of death? Go back my videos. And you'll see. Or, I got another solution. But a couple of days ago, one of my top comments was, start posting how to make money in this bear market, and I might buy your course. So, okay, Martin, I will create a course on how to trade this to make money on the downside. Bear market money, there you go. Also, yesterday it sold out really fast because I'm only allowing so many people in. Stop Paint, there are people, not just one. You guys are paying 1,000. Don't. You make me feel guilty. And wait until I'm trying to film one video every single day, so you know how to trade all of these bearish thingies. Which actually, the kiss of death to trade that one, it's going a heck of a lot lower. Also, right now, yes, that coupon is $200. Course will go up to 1,000. Over time, but I guess if you want to be that guy, thank you for trusting me. I love you too. For those of you who are like, okay, wait, real quick, what's the kiss of death? Okay, all-time high forever. Okay, and then it drops down. This is on the monthly. It drops down to right there. Okay, and then it has a bounce. It goes up, and then if it closes below that, which we're almost there, that is the kiss of death. And if I were to rewind this all the way back to the Great Depression and before that, we've only had a handful of them, and I'm telling you, they don't end well. And the line you turn on is the 21, but it has to be on the monthly. See, it drops down, kiss, we come down. I think that's the next trend line. You got to understand these things in a bear market. That's where you take profit. And you see the last almost, no kiss of death, nothing. You got to go all the way back to 08. There, see that thing right there? Boop. That was actually, that yellow, I put that on there because that's the same week as this week. It was actually Rosh Hashanah and the Shemitah, but not like 1928 where you had all three of them put together, and now we have the year of Jubilee. Also, it looks like the Dow already beat you to it, so it's ahead of the game on this whole hitting that next trend line. Oh, and just in case you wanted to know where we're at in this market cycle, we were up there, and then we came down, we kissed it. Okay, we're right. This is where we're currently at, and I don't know if you could see, we got a long way to go. And just in case you want to know what we lost on that one, almost 90%. Ooh, that's ugly, huh? But check that out. How about a 73% bounce? that's some money in your pocket. Just hope someone teaches everyone how to trade it. Also, my apologies yesterday. I said we're doing Bitcoin, copper. I got stuck on copper. I said it's going to break, but I didn't tell you. So here's what we were in on the 4 hour. And now just to let you know, if you understand how to trade bear markets, if you don't. So there is your price target right up there, okay? But here's the deal. In bear markets, they don't go up and hit the exact price target. Maybe about 75%, would you say? I'm not very good at measuring. I lied to my wife. I told her 9, but she still married me. I also measure in centimeters. But you want it to go up maybe 75%. Take profit. Get out. Because look. Oh, hey, look. We're back down to where we started. As a trader, you got to know, those YouTubers, they just be getting all of their whatever links in the description of, Bybit. Do they still slinging that? And those kids be making Lambo money on the daily, all just taking your money. And actually it was Lambo money. These kids were like, look at the Lambo I just, and they were adults too, showing off, flexing. But Bravo, you talk so, you like the things. You talk so much charts. Just go, what's really freaking you out? You want to know what's really freaking me out? It's this, and hold on, you buckle up. And I was actually just watching a video of people just rushing into stores, looting the whole thing. And it was funny. This security guard just like, doop-doo-doo, like, I'm out of here. I mean, the people are just destroying this place that we live in. They got the name again? Murderapolis? Can't even, great, a new word. Perfect. Ground zero for defund the, I don't want to say that just in case. Movement now suffering horrendous crime wave, but they have a solution. Because really quickly, this recession that we're not in yet is going to turn into a depression. It's going to get really bad, okay? So I hope you're out of the city, you have your little happy place, and then these guys are going to give you, they have the framework for these digital assets that are going to go into your new digital wallet. And then the people that do bad things, they can't get it, like unlawful things, and if anything's unfair or abusive. And the government will control no more narcotics, laundering, all these words I probably shouldn't say on the YouTube, these kind of trafficking, right? All these bad people are gonna go away because the government has your back. Oh, and just in case there's a disaster, they'll fix that. Agencies will encourage the adoption of instant payment system like FedNow, coming to a wallet near you in less than 6 months. Now, this is where it's going to get really bad. You want your Social Security? You got to have FedNow. How about a pension? How about retirement? How about, you wanted to update that passport or driver's license or anything? And how about when the president handles non-bank payments? Guys, this is frightening. And I've been trying to warn everyone, but my voice goes unheard. So if you could, maybe share the video. I don't know. I mean, just if this makes sense to you, can you subscribe so we can hang out and try to, we're not going to solve it. At this point, soon Rome will be burning. I just want to show you where to go. And also, everyone's going to do it. I'm not even going to try. I'm going to tell you how it's going to end, and it's going to end horrifically. Because they're going to say, you want to buy whatever. You want booze? Yeah, that's not going to happen. You want anything? No, that's not going to. You wanted to spend it? No, you can only spend it between these hours and these hours. You did something bad? You don't get your money. And don't think that they're not going to come after cryptocurrency, because that's illegal. Yep, bad. That's how people buy drugs, okay? And with our new system, that's not going to happen. Yeah, I'm sure no one ever used currency for drug usage. Bravo, we want some good news. Okay, home prices cooled. Hey, so in case you wanted to buy a house, here's the only problem. Home prices cooled in July at the fastest rate in history. That's called a crash. Price were to drop the fastest in history. I think that's a bad thing. Well, it's a good thing for us because we get to buy the stuff at the bottom. Which I know people are telling you it's probably the bottom right now. It's not the bottom. You want to know the bottom? Like, sign up for my bear market course. Yeah, you're not there yet. You see the green? See the green line? See the green line's way over there? See how high and thick they are? Do you see anything? No? Yeah, it's because you ain't at a bottom yet there, Chuck. This, believe it or not, Sandy, is telling you you haven't seen nothing yet. So with all these people telling you, oh, buy this crypto, do this and that, and please don't listen to, please, I want to see Jim Cramer pop up on there. Please. Don't listen to what they say. It's not. Actually, here, I'll give you some good news today. For the first time since the Great Recession, the super rich did not get richer this year. And the crowd goes wild. Yes! Actually, this is some exciting times because now you can be like what they did because you're going to have an opportunity like no other. And if you miss this opportunity again, I will punch myself in the face. So make sure you guys take advantage of these things because they're like a once in a lifetime opportunity. This is like generational wealth. And I'll see you tomorrow.